Welcome to CamelbackTrading.org. This is our daily review for Wednesday, July 8th, 2026. Using our new proprietary Camelback market profile for Tradovate, let's dive into today's price action and look at what is ahead for the next session. If you want the complete written report, the full strategic plan for the next session, and all the specific key levels we are tracking, make sure to head over to our Substack publication right now to get the full plan. Also, become a member to get access to our proprietary market profile, now that we have a dedicated version for Tradovate, along with our usual TradingView version. You will also get access to other tools like the MGI scorecard and access to period-by-period MGI data throughout the day. On Wednesday, we saw bears initially in control, pushing prices lower after a gap down, though NQ quickly filled its gap. However, the intraday narrative shifted significantly in the afternoon, with bulls staging a strong recovery, leading to neutral extreme day up profiles for both ES and NQ. Despite that powerful late-day push, value for both instruments ultimately ended lower, indicating the bears did succeed in progressing value down. We observed a rotation factor of +4 for both ES and NQ. Remember, this reflects a moderate directional attempt to the upside during the 30-minute auctions of the late afternoon periods, a decent push, but not an overwhelming double-digit conviction. Structurally, both ES and NQ remain in a monthly up and weekly balance context, but their daily contexts are still considered down. Also, keep an eye on those Globex monthly lows printed overnight, as they're now key levels. Now, let's get to what truly matters: our plan for the upcoming session. For ES, we saw a wide point of control and a poor high of day. The daily context remains down. For the bulls to shift that daily context back to balance, they absolutely must take out Wednesday's high of day. Acceptance above prior value area high, which is very close to that high of day, would signal a significant bullish effort to win value and change the daily posture. If ES opens inside value or pulls back into Wednesday's value area, bulls can lean on that wide point of control as a potential bounce point. On the flip side, sellers aiming to maintain control of value progression will need to vigorously defend prior value area low. Their ultimate target, the big picture level, remains the weekly balance low. A break below that would place the weekly context down and even shift the monthly context into balance, as it represents the previous month's low. Moving over to NQ, it didn't print a wide point of control, but it certainly ripped higher, probing up aggressively in the final period, leaving a late price probe and a clear high of day. Like ES, its daily context is down. Bulls will want to attack the prior high of day to place that daily context back to balance. Conversely, sellers will be defending that high of day fiercely to prevent this shift. If buyers are winning value tomorrow and pull back into Wednesday's value area, they can lean on the afternoon pullback level as a last line of defense. However, the preferred scenario for bulls is to hold acceptance above that late price probe. Sellers, to continue controlling value progression, will need to defend prior value area low. Similar to ES, sellers' ultimate target is the weekly balance low. If that level is taken out, it would place the weekly context down and the monthly context into balance. The market, as we saw, often presents these conflicting signals: bears lowering value, but bulls staging significant recoveries. It is absolutely crucial to remain patient and allow the market profile data to guide your setup identification rather than imposing a predefined bias. Observe how the market reacts to these key levels and whether it accepts or rejects value at those points. That's your edge. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and we'll catch you on the next one. Remember, if you are going to buy an account with Tradify, use code CB2724 and help us donate to St. Jude's Hospital, 20% this time. Be safe and trade well.